I'm having to fix my wife's brace again. These things break. I've already fixed this one. Now I've got to fix this one, and I fixed this one last year. Usually we send these things in. It takes sometimes a month to get them back, because I don't know why they're so slow, unless they just don't have the people over there doing this stuff. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I do it. We have this one that I use that it's too small or too big. I can't remember which. But anyway, I've just been robbing the parts off this thing and putting them on this thing. So what I've got to do, the first thing is I got to drill this rivet out, and it'd probably be easier to come. Well, I know it's easier to come through this way. Anyway, we're going to drill this out, and then I'll show you what we're going to do after that. Okay. See, we got the inside rivet off. Okay, there we go. Got that off. And usually the rivets I use are 1/4 inch. I think they're 1/4 inch. Might be 3/16. Let me get one. There we go. Right there. 3/16. So that means we need a 3/16 inch bit. Alright, let's see if this is going to fit. Just a hair bit tight. I mean, we do want it tight, but this is too tight, so it won't fit. So we need to get a 3/16 bit. I have to use my caliper because I can never remember what 3/16 is. Let's see here. $3/32. Here we go. 3/16. 1/875. This one is 2.25 or 0.225. I'll call it 1/82. I'm going to go ahead and try this and see if this will work. Nope. Well, let's try it anyway. Whoops. This one's 0.185, so that's, well, 0.186, so that's so close to 3/16 it hurts. Anything, this does say 3/16, so let's try it. And I'm gonna have a hard time. I mean, it's so close to 3/16, the bit's just grabbing, so we're going to get a pair of pliers and hold this. This is what's left of a rotary file. Kind of got wet a couple times. Let's see, not too good. Hot dog. Got us a good, really good tight fit. That's what we want. Okay. Old rotary file still comes in handy. Not rotary file, hand file. Rivet's going to go through the back. You got to make sure you put this thing on the correct way. It'll only go one way and work. Okay, see, you need to make sure that this part here, the little button, the buckle thing, is facing the right way. Okay, now got to make sure this buckle here is facing the right way. Stick this on there. And then we start pulling this thing down. Make sure this thing is all the way down. I just don't have the equipment those people do. Okay. Get that thing out of there. Nah, it's not coming out. I'm going to have to cut it off. Okay, well, I got the pin out. Now we just got to pull it out. May have to knock it out with a punch. Okay. We got her done. We don't have to wait 2 weeks. It's here and done. This goes back into my rivet case. I got a feeling I'm going to need some more. Another job done.